I'm talking to you now, we are about 541. Mother 541 kg in Ghana now. Mother 541 kg now here. I know na northern part of Ghana, Bogatanga. By 3 a.m. Imaban. Nda be jira na be many arrest. The sign na their police station. After the sign at their police station, they have a Chinese picture. The Chinese many to print is Chinese picture. She could their Urani Gawakwakara na their prison yard. Sekwani front and back there. Hoping that na hawaga hapo anye kailaba. Ha Urani dia don't point na Aflawo border side. On one event center. A place Abagide fence, white fence, and a event there, a wedding ceremony there. About Habagide any fence. The sign there. The whole youth, boomy, what you can, about boomy, once and I check Nigeria ambassador on Ghana, be for us. Since then till now, nothing, on wedding hobble I hobby. On wedding cobble I hobby. Since Sunday, 25th of April, today now, but Saturday. Tomorrow, get me 1 week now. I know man are here. All a very terrible something. Our situation here is very, very terrible. And you can't look here, they refuse. Every security, every immigration, you check it down here, which is very, very bad. Here, many they have here, recall opinion. You check it down here, Maka. Bumanyono since then. Till come by Jibotanya na flower here. Since Tuesday, Jibotanya na flower. Bumanyono since that Tuesday till today or Saturday. All the very bad. I know about Tagaho. Na Boila, nothing to do. On one yaka, nothing. Because Yamako Blono Mono Ganyela, you Nanyela, Biko.